सॉफ्ट स्किल्स आज इतना इम्पोर्टेंट क्यों है हमारे लिए? क्या पहले नहीं था? पहले भी था, बट लोगों को उसकी इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं पता थी और इतनी कंपटीशन नहीं थी पहले। जब चीजें डिस्कवर होते गई, चीजें पता लगती गई, तब इम्पोर्टेंस की समझ आई कि ओ ये भी इम्पोर्टेंट है हमारी लाइफ में। लाइकवाइज ग्रेविटी पहले भी था, बट डिस्कवर न्यूटन ने किया। इसी तरीके से सॉफ्ट स्किल्स में जब हम कम्युनिकेशन की बात कर रहे हैं तो कम्युनिकेशन एक पूरा प्रोसेस मैंने जो आपको बताया, और जब आप किसी से बात कर रहे हैं तो वो कम्युनिकेशन फुलफिल कब होता है? कम्युनिकेशन इज गेटिंग डिवाइडेड इनटू परसेंटेज। उसके डिटेल में मैं जाऊंगी, बट ये कहलाता क्या है? एल्बर्ट मेहरेबियंस रूल। ये रूल एल्बर्ट मेहरेबियन ने दिया था। ही डिस्कवर्ड द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन एंड हिज रूल सजेस्ट्स और स्टेट्स द ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन, which we are going to discuss in detail. Hello everyone, welcome to Shine and Soft Skills with आकांक्षा सिंह। नमस्कार, मेरा नाम आकांक्षा सिंह है और आपका मेरे चैनल पे स्वागत है शाइन एंड सॉफ्ट स्किल्स में। So this Albert Mehrabian's rule states that how the meaning of the communication flows in parts, and whatever we are communicating to the other person, likewise it consists of our verbals, tone of voice and body language. So these three components mix and completes our communication. The verbal percentage is 7%. The tone of voice is 38% and 55% is our body language. Our gestures, postures, hand movements, eye contact. So you can imagine that if the person is not in front of you, how much misunderstanding can be created, because that communication is not complete. It is incomplete. Body language is not there. Only the tone of voice and the verbal, the words which has been used. So if I go by each component, let's take up verbal first. Verbal means whatever words we are using. हम जो भी शब्द बोल रहे हैं किसी को, किस तरीके से बोल रहे हैं और किसको बोल रहे हैं, तो that is. So when we are talking about communication, it is very important to know कि कब हमें क्या चीज बोलनी है, कैसे बोलनी है, और ये भी ध्यान रखना है कि हम किससे बात कर रहे हैं, because sometimes the person's influence matters a lot. आपको हर किसी से उसके अकॉर्डिंगली ही बात करनी है, सिचुएशन के हिसाब से बात करनी है। और जब मैं मेहरेबियन रूल की बात कर रही हूं, that helps you in binding up into your mind that what kind of words to be used and to be framed, and what kind of tone of voice to be maintained, and the body language to be used, because all these three components have to be in sync. अगर ये मैच नहीं होंगे तो कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट होगा। और हमें कम्युनिकेशन में क्या सीखा है, that we have to convey the message with clarity, not with confusion. So these rules help you in understanding the other person also, the communication style, as well as you can make your communication style better to improve yourself while you are handling any situation, you are handling any client, you are handling any personal relationship. So you always look forward for a scope of improvement in yourself. So that's why I'm here to help you out with that. And as I told you, it is the Albert Mehrabian's rule. It has also been called as 7-38-55 rule, because the three components which I mentioned comprises of 7%, 38% and 55%. और अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमारी फोन पे बात हो रही है and I cannot see the person's facial expressions or the body movement. 55% of the body language is missing. My communication is not complete. It would be incomplete because it is comprised of only verbal and voice tone. And that tends to create a misunderstanding. So you should always look on these points. Look out for the opportunities. Look out for the situations where you can have all these three components in your communication or conversation with any of your clients or and in your personal space too. So please keep these three components in your mind while you're communicating with anyone, because if you miss the major part, that is body language, you will be creating a blunder, you will be creating a confusion, misunderstanding, many relationship terms bitter due to this. So keep it in mind, and it also helps you in observing people and how you can react or respond to their conversation. So please keep these three components in mind while you're communicating to your any professional colleagues or your personal relatives or members. Stay with me to learn more, explore more, and subscribe me to know more. Thank you.